Hi, in this short video, I will explain you how the attendance list and all those spreadsheets are managed. First, you need to go to your personal folder, open the folder of grades that staff have shared. You will see different sheets because they are for each group that you have. When you open a file, you can view different tabs: attendance, quizzes, homework, progress test 1, progress test 2, progress test 3, progress test 4, and the average. You can only add information in the blank parts. Such as marking with an X, adding the grades of each quiz. Remember, add in decimal grading. In homeworks, the same way, in decimal grading. And the progress test will be filled in automatically. The only part they must fill out is when the students take the monthly exam of the same way, decimal grading. And in each progress test, you must fill in comments about each student. It, it is important to write comments such as strengths and areas of improvement for each student. The staff is gonna see all of those comments. When the time comes to fill out the report cards in paper, that will be in the middle of the semester, the information that you will use is the orange part that is in progress test 2. And at the end of the semester, the report cards in paper are filled out again, which will be the orange part on average. Everything that is colored in light blue is protected by staff. Staff will be adding the names of the students. And when you see a different color, it means that the student is dropped out. Thank you very much for your understanding. And if you have any questions, I can gladly help you answer them.